How to download Fortnite on PC and laptop. So first, just open up your browser. Once you're there, just search for Epic Games. And just simply click on download Epic Games Launcher right here. Wait for it to load. Once you're on the website, you just simply need to make sure that you're signed in. And after that, just click on install on Windows. Just simply click on save. So as you can see, the download is done right here. So just simply click on it and wait for it to open up. And as you can see, this will pop up. Just simply click on install. Then wait for this to finish. If and the user account control will pop up, just simply click on yes and wait for it to finish install. So once it's done, this will pop up and just simply need to click on update and wait for it to load. Click on yes on the pop-up and this will start and it will just verify the update, and you just simply need to wait for it again. As you can see, it is now downloading and just simply need to wait for it to download. So once it's done updating or downloading the update, it will just pop up like this, where you need to sign in or sign up with your account. So I already have an account, but if you don't have an account, just simply click on create account right here, and that should lead you to the sign up page. So once you're logged in, you just need to search for Fortnite right here. Click on it. And as you can see, I already have it in my library, but for you, you just simply need to click on the purchase right here, which you don't have need to pay anything. You just need to click on that and you will be redirected to the store page, and you just need to simply purchase the game for free. And once it's done, it will be added to your library. So this is what it looks like. So let's say I'm gonna go to a store right here. So let's say you just bought Fortnite, but it doesn't have anything. So click buy now, or it's like purchase or something for you, and you just need to simply click on place order, and there will be no checkout option since it is free for Fortnite. So that will be basically the process. So go to library after that. Now just search for Fortnite right here, and I have mine right here, and just simply click on it. And now you will need to install it and pick a folder that you want to put the files of Fortnite. So I'm just gonna set it to default right there, and I'm just gonna simply click on this one. I'm gonna uncheck that since I don't want any shortcuts, and simply click on install and click on this. Click on accept. Click on yes on the pop-up, and click on downloads here on the bottom left. And as you can see, Fortnite is currently downloading, and you simply need to wait for that to finish, and you now play Fortnite. And that's basically it.